The recipe for a soft and tasty Milo cake. Ingredients for a 6-inch or 7-inch round cake. Dry ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 120 grams, base of the cake. Make sure to sift to avoid clumps. 1/2 cup Milo powder, about 50 grams. Key ingredient for the classic Milo taste. 1/2 cup sugar, 100 grams. Granulated sugar works best, but brown sugar adds extra flavor. 1 tsp baking powder aids in making the cake rise. 1/2 tsp baking soda reacts with vinegar or lemon juice for a lighter texture. A pinch of salt balances the sweetness and enhances the overall flavor. Wet ingredients: 1/2 cup milk, 125 milliliters. Full-fat milk is ideal, but almond or oat milk works too. 1/4 cup oil or melted butter, 60 milliliters. Oil for a tender crumb, butter for flavor. 1 tsp vanilla extract, optional but adds extra aroma. 1 tsp vinegar or lemon juice, important for making the cake soft and fluffy. 1/4 cup hot water, 60 milliliters, activates the Milo flavor and loosens the batter. Instructions: Step 1. Preheat your oven. Start by preheating your oven to 170 C 340 F. Grease a 6-inch or 7-inch round cake pan with butter or oil, and line the bottom with parchment paper to prevent sticking and ensure even baking. Step 2. Prepare the dry mix together in a large mixing bowl. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup Milo powder, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp baking soda. A pinch of salt. Mix well using a whisk or spoon to distribute the ingredients evenly. Sifting helps avoid lumps and ensures a smooth batter. Step 3. Prepare the wet mix in a separate bowl. Combine 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 cup oil or melted butter, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1 tsp vinegar or lemon juice. Gently stir with a spoon or whisk. Note: the vinegar may cause slight curdling, which is normal and aids in rising. Step 4. Combine wet and dry. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Use a spatula or whisk to gently mix the batter, being careful not to overmix to avoid a dense cake. The batter should be thick at this stage. Step 5. Add hot water. Pour in 1/4 cup hot water into the batter and stir until smooth and slightly fluid. This step enhances the Milo flavor and improves moisture. Step 6. Pour and prepare for baking. Pour the batter into the greased and lined cake pan. Tap the pan on the counter to remove air bubbles and level the top. Step 7. Bake the cake. Place the cake pan in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick in the center. Step 8. Cooling time. Once baked, let the cake sit in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Allow it to cool completely before slicing or decorating. Never frost or cut a warm cake to avoid crumbling.